I'm Anne, a senior claims manager at Coalition, your company's cyber insurance provider. Our claims team has handled thousands of claims from policyholders like you who became victims of funds transfer frauds. The latest FBI report says these types of frauds are the second most costly cyber claim. Over the last 3 years, they have cost companies $9 billion. We want you to be aware of an increase in funds transfer frauds using bank impersonation tactics. Bank impersonation scams involve a certain kind of social engineering aimed at tricking finance employees. To understand the significance of this trend, you first need to understand the usual way that funds transfer frauds happen. Most of the time, they happen when a threat actor identifies a legitimate transaction underway, usually to a trusted party, like a vendor. It often stems from an email compromise somewhere in the chain. The threat actor intercepts funds transfer instructions between a company and its vendor and impersonates that vendor. Then, the threat actor will tell that company to send funds to a new account. This involves a lot of work for the threat actor, who would rather just get straight into your company's bank account. How do they do this? They can hack in, but that's rare. How else do they get into the account? Bank impersonation scams. There's been an uptick in these toward the end of 2025. Here's how they work. A threat actor will call a finance employee and say, "I'm calling from your bank. It seems you may have an unauthorized transfer in your account. Did you mean to send $500,000 to an account in Hong Kong?" They're relying on the employee being alarmed. The threat actor will say, "No worries, I can stop this for you right now. I'll recall the funds. Just give me your bank login details." Finance employees need to be alert to this emerging trend. Make sure to remind your colleagues banks will never ask for your PIN or password. If a bank does call, tell them you'll call right back. Then hang up and look up the bank's contact information on their website or your bank statement. That way you know exactly who you're talking to. While you're at it, pay attention to traditional funds transfer frauds. Use multi-factor authentication for your emails. Verify any changes to banking instructions by calling the sender using a phone number that you already have. And follow a dual authentication protocol. That way, at least 2 people have to review a transaction before it gets made. Lastly, if you discover funds have been stolen, call us right away. We've helped our policyholders recover over $150 million in stolen funds, and we're here to help.